So here I have Sims 3, the game, and I'm going to show you guys how we are going to have to try to have this baby. So we're going to go nap. We're going to have her nap, and we're going to have him nap. And oh, they're napping. Hold on. We're supposed to relax. Oh wait, I'm talking. Okay, now oh actually this is fine. So now we can go press on try for baby. As you can see right there. So we're gonna press onto that. This is a tutorial to try for baby. So now things.
Tonk. Nidi Vishu.
Ugly.
Uba.
So here they are. They're trying to have a baby. I am his wife. So you can see.
Oh, bubbler.
And that should be it. We should wait, and then I will show you the next episode that she's pregnant, and see you later on. Bye.